Unlocking momentum. The power of get things moving. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very dynamic phrase in the English language: get things moving. This phrase is a key to unlocking action and momentum, whether in personal projects, business, or any area of life that requires a push forward. Understanding this expression is crucial for English learners as it pops up in various contexts. So, let's get things moving with our exploration of this phrase. Get things moving is an idiomatic expression that means to start something or to make progress in a situation that has been static or slow. It suggests initiating action or encouraging faster progress to achieve a goal. The phrase embodies a sense of urgency and action, highlighting the transition from inactivity to movement. To truly grasp the essence of get things moving, it's helpful to see it in action. Here are a few examples. 1. In the workplace, a team leader might say, "Let's get things moving on the project," urging the team to start working or to speed up the process. 2. In social settings, before a party, a host might say, "We need to get things moving," meaning they need to finalize preparations to ensure the event starts on time. 3. Personal projects. Someone working on a personal goal might motivate themselves by saying, "I need to get things moving," focusing on taking action to make progress. Using get things moving in conversation is straightforward but powerful. Here are some tips to encourage action. Use it when you want to motivate others, or yourself, to start or accelerate actions toward achieving something. To break a standstill, when discussions, projects, or plans are not progressing, saying, "Let's get things moving," can inject energy and urgency into the situation. To highlight progress, it can also be used retrospectively to highlight the shift from inactivity to progress, as in, "We really got things moving last month." And that wraps up our journey through the phrase, get things moving. We hope this exploration not only adds a dynamic expression to your English repertoire but also inspires you to get things moving in your own life. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about action and interaction. Thanks for joining us, and we look forward to moving forward with you in our next video. Keep learning, and keep moving.